Children, this is the special chapter, bill making. The bill making comes under the chapter of money that is in your course for class 5th. So we come to it directly, come to bill making directly, like taking an example. Aarti went to a garment store and bought some clothes. The shopkeeper gave her bill which had some mistakes. Get the bill corrected by shopkeeper. Children, when you go to shop, in any shop, certain items, what you want? You want a bill from the shopkeeper, and bill is made like this. Sometimes, most of the times, the bill is always correct. But here, in this chapter, you can also be asked to correct the bill if it is given wrongly. Now, so he is showing a wrong bill here. What he shows? This is the pattern of making bill. Children, bill number is given, date is given, customer name and address is given. And here in this box, the name and address and phone number of the shopkeeper is given. So these are the addresses. Now this is serial number. How many items you have purchased? 1, 2, 3, 4. Particulars means name of the items. She has purchased t-shirt, trousers, jeans and pair of socks. How many t-shirts she have brought? She have bought 2 t-shirts, 2 trousers, 3 jeans and like this. A rate of these items are given here. The amount the bill maker has calculated like this. So this is the correct. I found some mistakes in this bill, and while checking it after the purchase, what did I find? I found that I checked the calculation. T-shirt was costing me 275 into 2 is equal to 550 rupees, and he has mentioned in the bill 600 rupees. So it is the incorrect amount. Now the next amount is trousers. Trousers at the rate of 600 she purchased 2 trousers, and that is costing 1200 rupees, and here it is correctly written. Now for jeans, she purchased 3 jeans for 900 each, means 2700 rupees, and the bill maker has made a mistake. He has written here 3000 rupees instead of 2700 rupees. And now checking for the last item, pair of socks, it is costing 280 rupees and the bill is given for 280 rupees. So here this bill is correct. 2 amounts are correct and 2 amounts are wrongly written. So the total of this total is here given in this column, total here, and this is the manager who has sold you the item. This is Kamal. He has sold you these items, so he has signed himself Kamal here. For whom? For my choice of garments. On behalf of the shop, Kamal has signed this bill. So after checking, what we have to do? We will go to Kamal or to bill maker, and we require this bill to be corrected. So how he will correct this bill? Okay, we are not going to rub this format. We can rub this format. We can rub here. This is correct. So what I have to write it here? This is not 600. This is 550 rupees, 12 is correct, and this is 2700 rupees. And this is also correct amount. So this is, guys, these are the real figures of our purchase. Now the difference is of total, and total becomes 4730 rupees. Children, in the incorrect bill, the shopkeeper was asking you 5080 rupees, and after making it correct, we find that the real bill is for the value of 4730 rupees. So, dear children, this finishes your special chapter bill making that comes under money. So, this is the correct bill. They can ask you in examination giving a wrong bill to you, and you have to correct that, or otherwise a real bill you have to make. They will give you the particular of items, and they will give you the quantity, and they will give you the rate, and you have to make the bill yourself. They will ask in the examination, they will ask you to prepare a bill, and you have to prepare the bill in your examination. The format is exactly, you take this format exactly the same pattern of the bill. So thanks for watching, children, and keep subscribing our channel. Thanks.